Ropeburn's got an office at Burfield International Shipping near the Riding Park subway. Should be a sign on top of the building. It'll help guide you. Look, I saw Ropeburn wrestle once. Broke some poor bastard's arm, then headbutted the ref. So if this Ropeburn really is mixed up with Pope's murder and Kate's setup, then he sure won't be a talker. He'll be a fighter.
So could I not have just memorized the evidence? Did I have to take the evidence? Because with it having broken the chain of command, etc., now it's not usable. You know, hopefully at some point I get to the point to where the parkour in this game looks flawless and easy and amazing. It would be very cool to see somebody good at the game play this and just how seamless everything would feel. Oh, but there was some solid floor behind me. Oh, so if I'm in the sky and I hold right bumper, I fall on my back. Oh, hey, rat. Can I punch you?
On a limited basis. More at 8 on City Eye Channel.
I cannot punch through this. Alright, cool.
I just do what I'm told. You know that. Yeah, well, I don't know what to tell you. I facilitated things. And I got more folks watching me than just you. And they wanted us to wrap her up all nice for those blues. Yeah, so it don't look good for you and your little gang. Take that up with them. In a few days, it'll all be over. Today's front page will be tomorrow's kitty litter. Come on! That runner won't last long. None of them will, right? The precious Project Icarus will be fine. 5x5. Now, don't get your panties in a bunch. Look, meet me at that new place on Reynolds Street tomorrow. 4 p.m., okay? Don't freak. They ain't finished building it yet. All quiet once you get above street level. I'll see you there. And don't bring any of your friends. We good? Good. Anyways, I gotta get some chow. Frame like this don't hold up itself, you know.
It's okay. I don't make noise. I move silent like the GM lasagna.
So, Ropeburn did know something, huh? Wonder who he's meeting with. Get back here and we'll find a way to make you an uninvited guest. Hey, look sharp. I'm getting blues heading for you. You must have triggered a silent alarm somewhere. Ass out now.
That is only for worst case scenario if I have to use it. What? I can parkour with one arm? Let's see how long that lasts. Alright. Oh, I can't make this jump. Oh, yeah. Alright, I just can't make the jump. There's a thingy in my way. Alright. That makes sense. That checks out.
More blues, head for the roof. Don't forget, you're public enemy number 1, Faith. To those guys, you've got meal ticket written all over you.
Hey, I like that. I like a challenge. It'll be really disappointing for them whenever I don't die. Oh, I take it back. I'm dying.
Don't stop. You ain't shaking them yet.
Ow. My head hurts now. Ain't no way.
Shit! Lost her!
Good.
Drake's got a hideout up ahead. Head for the cranes and I'll update you when you get closer. Watch it, Faith. The Blues have a chopper incoming.
I don't like the chopper. Oh shit. This is like Dead by Daylight. Nope. Wrong game. What is it called? This is like Dying Light minus the zombies.
Watch it. Blue's up ahead. Looks like you're gonna have to fight.
Oh, that's not reload. I don't have a reload button.
That's the end of the phase. Now get going.
Yes, sir. The big red crane. Is that where I'm going? What's wrong with me? Oh, yeah, that's not the button I need. The newest threat to children. Running? Are your children safe? Is your radio transmitting secret messages? Find out what you should know. Oh, I almost made a mistake there.
Should be some cover ahead, some scaffolding. Try and lose some of the heat in there.
Alright. Oh no! Go the other way! I did not want to do this!
Shitload of blues in the plaza. Go higher and get yourself out of there.
Oh, I'm not tall enough. Oh! I'm sorry. You probably didn't deserve that.
Chopper's got a call from its mama. It's bugging out. Not for long, I'll bet.
think I missed. I missed a shotgun at close range. Only I could do that.
I think you did? God damn it, girl. I just spilled my Joe all over the keyboard.
Hey, did you get a message to Miller? I need to see him again.
Sure.
CPF underground. Car park. His intuition is crazy.
Message.
I started looking into Ropeburn.
Why?
He's Travis Burfield, Pope's head of security.
You think he killed Pope?
Maybe. He sure as hell set Kate up. Wanted a cop to go down for it, and he wasn't alone. Heard him mention Project Icarus.
Burfield is dangerous, Faith. He's not someone you want to mess with.
He framed my sister.
I'm sorry, Faith.
For what?
For this. I don't want Kate to go down for this either. But we've got private firms muscling in on our districts. Bolstering city security, they call it. They're breathing down our necks, waiting for us to slip up. The only way they might go easy on us, and easy on Kate, is if I give them...
Me.
Yes.
All I care about is Kate. And for her sake, I'm gonna let you go. But if you pull a gun on me again, I will kill you.
I mean, that's more than fair.
And right now, I think I'd be doing the city a favor. There's a bird going in the direction of Ropeburn's meeting.
You think it's Ropeburn's pal?
Maybe, but it looked like a CPF one to me. And how many other people can get their paws on a bird in this place?
Not many. Hey, you better get going if you want to catch them. And keep on street level 2. Blue's around.
Warning, high voltage. Nice. Appreciate the warning. Oh, that's a big jump. Big jump that I did make, by the way.
Building plans say there's an electric fence there. Last thing I need is a fried runner, so don't go taking any chances. Power the thing down.
Okay. I don't know where to go. So many options. So many bad options. Oh, there's a button. Good thing we ain't touching the fence here. Nice, nice, nice. Well, I thought those were gunshots.
I'm looking at the plans for this place. It's a labyrinth. And quiet, too. No wonder Ropeburn picked it. But if there's a bird involved, I'm guessing they'll be near the roof. You're gonna need to find a way up.
Oh, don't mind me just creeping through the air vents. Air duct. Guess I have to go down here. Well, it's one way for the game to say, nope, you're wrong.
So that's a no, then.
Murder case that the suspect held in custody in the Robert.
Thank you, Ledge. Appreciate you. Why didn't I grab onto the next thing? What? I don't want to mess this up. Nice. Am I just supposed to drop down here anyways? I could have done that normally. Brother.
Miller. Shit.
Seriously?
Yeah. Should never have trusted a blue. He's with Ropeburn. Bet he's up to his neck in this Icarus stuff. I'm heading up. See what I can find out about Pope and Kate.
Kate trusted you. Oh.
You can both go to hell.
You look like Solomon Grundy. Let me go. You just picked me up by the cooch?
Faith?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Ain't no freaking way he just did that. Okay.
Did he send you? You can both go to hell. No one threatens me.
Faith?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Oh, does that hurt?
Better talk fast. I can see your hands starting to sweat. You set up Kate Connors, didn't you?
That little cop? Yeah.
Had to be a cop, right?
I don't mess in politics.
Who killed Pope? You?
No! I hired someone.
Who?
A professional. Meeting him tomorrow, 2 p.m. Atrium in the mall, downtown. You'll recognize him.
Why do I am I gonna recognize them?
You sure you want to know about that? Pull me up and I'll tell you.
Watch him, Faith.
Try anything in your roadkill.
Sure. Sure.
You're a little heavy. I don't think I'm being able to pull you up.
Shit! Merc, someone's shooting. They got Ropeburn. What the?
Blue's about to crash the party, Faith. Get out of there.
Oh, I can't just go up again. Oh, I can. Why did I even go through there? Oh, because it's not red. Can't open not red doors. Oh, I didn't know this was a shotgun. Thank you, emergency brakes. Oh, that was trippy as heck. The backwards roll.
Seems Jackknife was bang on the money about Roburn being behind this. Wonder who his professional is. I'm boosting your signal. Try and find a way through.
Okay, you're not supposed to slide down. You're supposed to run on the other wall. Don't know if anyone told you that or not. Brother, what? Maybe I can't do that. I think I figured it out now, guys.
Signal set. Seems you might be clear of the Blues for now. Looks like the Riding Park subway stop's closed. Some kind of renovation work.
They clean the floors? He did say I had to go deeper in the subway, and I did not listen to him, so. Doesn't that open the other one too? Just these? I'll take it.
Blue's ahead trying to cut you off. Get ready to fight.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. That was really bad time. You held on to that gun a little longer than you probably should have.
There's a track access way at the end of the platform. Could be a way out.
That? Okay, I don't see no train. Oh, 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 oh. Jump! Oh, I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. Yeah, I know. Wow! Attempt number 2. I mean 1. I mean, who's counting? Oh, you just have to be quick with it. What is a janitor? Aww. Aww, you're so sweet.
Blue's getting close. Get moving, Faith. Losing your signal.
Oh, fuck. What's wrong with me? What? Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, I'm trapped here, aren't I? Where can I go from here? There's literally not a freaking way to go from here. I can go down. Ugh. Okay, found the ladder. Yeah, wouldn't that be very unfortunate if I fell in the frickin' fan?
Right, got your back. Looks like you're in a subway aeration room. Try switching off the fans. Usually maintenance tunnels behind those things.
I think I see where I need to go.
Hey, the train. Take the train. Look sharp. Low tunnel ahead. Jump to another train.
Jump. Move left, move right. Duck. Duck.
Shit, the blues are stopping trains in the tunnels now.
That hurt a little bit. Okay, I don't know where I'm
There's
supposed
a
to
train
go.
coming behind you. Get the hell out of there.
From back here? It's gonna hit the other train? The cops did that? Okay.
Nice work, kiddo. Real nice. If you get any more trouble, Celeste's on a job near you. She'll help you out.
Hey. Merc's Lair, 6 a.m.
What are you thinking about?
A murderer?
Yeah?
Yeah. Pope's. Got a tip-off about a meet at the New Eden Mall tomorrow. Gonna pay a visit.
Shit, Faith. Why are you doing this? It's not your fight. Just, I don't know, lay low.
Everything's changed. The city's different now. I keep thinking of my folks. They thought this place was something worth protecting. Mom and Dad were friends with Pope. Organized protests, lobbied the mayor, took me and Kate on marches. But I never really understood why back then. What it meant.
Merc said your mom died.
She was killed during the downtown riots. Protest marches that went bad.
That's rough.
After that, we, well, pretty much fell apart. Dad never forgave himself, and I left home soon after. Guess I never really forgave him either.
That's when you met Merc?
He caught me, breaking into his place.
No kidding. You never said that.
He offered to train me. Felt like a good way off the street, so I took it. Not much else going for me.
What you're doing now, Faith, is the fastest way to get yourself killed.
They got my sister involved, Sel, and I need to clear her name. I owe her that much. I'll survive. That's what we do.
That's what
Survival
we
is
do.
overrated. You need to live a little, too.
Hey, you want to come with me tomorrow? Could use the help.
Can't. Drake's got me on a job. Says I've been slacking. Look, I've gotta go.
It's fine. Someone's bound to start shooting at me soon. Get going.
Well, ain't that the truth?
Faith. Take care.
The New Eden Mall should be ahead of you, but watch it. Mayor Callahan's on some kind of campaign drive-about. A few streets away, so there are roadblocks all over the place.
Alright, Internet, I'm gonna leave that video there. Hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.